Dr. Kuriakose, the principal of Spoorthi Global School and also the president of Karnataka ICSE Schools Association. PISA for schools is not a new idea. It's an idea that was already existing, but in India it is not propagated as it should have been. PISA for schools are going to bring up how schools are performing vis-a-vis the other schools of the same stream or various streams across the state, across the country and across the globe. All this time we were assessing the school students about their board exam performance or class level performance. Now we are testing the performance level of schools. That is what PISA stands for, and definitely we are having a lot of learning from this exercise wherein we can improve the performance of schools. That is what I believe that PISA is going to do for the schools. Thank you.